Yo, you guys, it's Badger here today. As you already see, we have a little review of this LED string light, and yeah, it is actually looking pretty good. It is almost like it's not visible. When you're going close, you see it, but otherwise you can tell here. It's really fine lights that are hanging down here, and they add up quite nicely. All you have to do is just throw them over there, and then you have like different modes to choose from. This one is not one of my favorites. I don't like it when there's so much going on. But there's people like that. Here is the power source. I did hit it over here. You can do it differently. It's not necessarily that you have to plug it in there. You can have a power bank or something connected to it. And yeah, in general, I think it gives it a really nice look. You have the remote here to control everything, which is pretty straightforward. And it definitely is getting some sort of Christmas vibe going. But yeah, I mean, after all, it's up to you what you're liking. So figure out what you prefer and what gets you in the mood. And otherwise, I think we could call this a day here at this point. So yeah, just have a look at the last settings. I will just let them run through. And I'm out. Until the next time, my name is Badger. Take care and bye bye.